So from the new, okay, so here's where I am in front of Hollywood Slots. So Hollywood Slots, the Cross Insurance Center, Kayak Irving, whatever it is, gas station, Residence Inn, and Gagans. In relation, this is the directionality to the new Bangor all-weather year-round skateboard park. And then originally I was thinking this gravel street right down here having that be called renamed to Skater's Way, but now there's the parking lots are now connected for over there. I'm on my fat bike right now. There's my dropper post lever. Trying to get that. Fuck. Well, now I'm going over some technical terrain over there. I only got one hand. It's going to be all paved by the time anything actually becomes of this video. So this will be the end of the parking lot right over here. And then so there have been concerns that this is isolated over there, and I don't see how those are unfounded concerns. Well, since there's parking lot over there, it won't be as isolated, and then just cut down the trees, mow down this grass. Over here there could be a slope style dirt jump park set up, perhaps. Yeah, slope style. There's a groundhog right there. Slope style park for BMX, stuff like that. Yeah, just cut all these trees down. Just underneath of the bridge. Yeah, this is it. So, picturing my yard, this has got to be from the railroad tracks. I don't know how much the city's how much the railroad's right of way is down underneath of here, but you figure though there's some pretty big trains that go under here, and then you figure that that with a possible extension of the waterfront going down to behind the down there, figure the right of way, there'd probably be a fence. Well, this is the beginning, probably 5 feet back, right about here. Then everything all the way back over to that dirt embankment. That's how much room there is. So if I had to guess, it's probably the room that's underneath of the bridge, from the railroad tracks back to there. That's got to be at least 150 feet. And I'm not so sure how wide this bridge is, but I'll have to look that up using the Hamden Town website measuring tool. I wish I would have thought of that now. This has got to be easily 175 to 200 feet wide. I figure that each lane is 12 feet wide, so this is a huge highway. So I don't know if I'm supposed to cross over the railroad tracks, but by the way, an old trick I learned from my grandmother. Figure that there'd probably be an extension to the Bangor waterfront that would probably run right down there. Who knows, maybe even put the skateboard park right underneath of there, and just maybe even put it right underneath of there. I don't know. So now I'll just get back on my bike and ride around here. I'm so not going to try and 180 this gravel right here. In fact, I suppose if someone was so inclined and had the willpower to, some of that, if it's as far back as it is non-structural, some of that gravel could actually be removed. And then all this right in here, that could be one big giant half pipe. Now, I'm not so sure what you do about over there, but maybe have the fence itself, maybe have another half pipe over there, not as tall, form a part of the fence over there. Maybe have some stairs so it would come up from a hypothetical extension of the Bangor waterfront. Maybe you could even have another quarter pipe over here, so it's like there'd be a half pipe which would actually go to a corner right over here. I'm underneath of the bridge until I get to right about here, so you could have up to right here. And then keep in mind, okay, that this would provide coverage from rain, so you could use it on rainy days, snow, snowy days. Obviously some snow would still blow in, but it would be easy to shovel off since there wouldn't be nearly as much snow. And hot sun, that would have to be at least like 10 degrees cooler. Fuck. Well, I'm not supposed to say the F words on YouTube now, with the way the policies are, so I don't know. Right around this central pillar right here one last time. And I am going to get out of here. And then there it is.